Hi, this is Chris with WTI, and I want to tell you about this fabulous iPettie stainless steel cat water fountain. I love that it's easy cleaning. I'm able to take it apart very simply and wash it out by hand. It's also dishwasher safe, but cleaning it in the sink is just a breeze, so I love that. It's also got an ultra quiet pump, and the flower waterfall, it's a really cool design that my cat loves. I know I've read that cats prefer running water, and there's something with the aeration in it that keeps the water fresh, and the flower waterfall to be giving a continuous stream of water that my cat can enjoy. And I also love that it's got a great filtration system. The stainless steel is the best material. It's much better than anything plastic to use because it's keeping it clean and it's not collecting the bacteria. I know that I can feel confident in it and I can feel safe with it. I'm just loving using it. I know that I can have the confidence of leaving for the day, let's say, and there's always a continuous stream of water that my cat has access to. So that's something that I really love. And that's my point of view.